Hey, it's your girl Sierra here, the Work From Home Diva, and I am back with another remote jobs video. And in today's video, we are talking about a company called Molina Healthcare. They are hiring for multiple positions, but there are two positions that I want to share with you in this video. I have a bonus position I'm going to go over first, and then I'm going to go over the actual position that pays up to $26 per hour. So what is Molina Healthcare? So Molina Healthcare has actually been around for over 40 years, and their mission is to improve the health and lives of their members by delivering high quality health care. So they basically just want to make sure that everyone is able to have some type of health care. And we all know in these times it's kind of hard to afford high quality healthcare. So this is what their mission is. And they are hiring remote workers. So we definitely want to make sure that you guys have the information if this is something you're interested in and you want to apply. Now, what are Molina's values? Integrity always, absolute accountability, supportive teamwork, honest and open communication, and member and community focused. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this bonus job. So this bonus job is a customer experience representative, and it's going to be part of their customer experience team. Now, like I said before, they do have a bunch of different customer service representative opportunities available, but I wanted to make sure that you had the best one. So you will be providing customer support to meet the needs of the Molina members, and you'll be speaking with the providers. Okay, so you will be supporting inbound and outbound phone calls from members or providers on routine or simple issues, conduct various surveys related to health assessments and member satisfaction, and you'll be having to document that in the system so they do have a record that you spoke with that person when they reached out. So let's talk about some of the systems training. Now, this is quite a bit, so you can go ahead and take a look and see what type of training you will be trained on once you do get this position with the company. Now, let's look at the required education. So this is an entry-level position. High school diploma or equivalent combination and experience is what they're looking for. Required experience is 1 to 3 years of sales and or customer service with a high volume environment. Now, for the preferred education is the associate degree or equivalent, but as it says, it is preferred. It doesn't mean you actually have to have that in order to get the job. And then they want the 1 to 3 years of experience, which is also preferred. So as we talked about before, the pay range is up to $24.02 per hour. And as it says, the actual compensation may vary from posting based on the location, your experience, your education, and your skill level. So you want to make sure that your resume speaks volumes to these recruiters. You want to make sure your resume is optimized to show the type of experience that you have if this is the job that you want to apply for. Now, if this is not for you, in the top right hand corner, you can go ahead and click on that. That job is more of a data entry job. You can go ahead and take a look at that video as well. All right, so this is the actual job that the video is about. This is for a care review processor, data entry authorizations, remote. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk a little bit about this job. So they're looking for a healthcare administrative professional with excellent communication skills, computer skills, attention to detail, multitasking, and being able to move between their databases. So you do, of course, have to have a home office with high-speed internet connectivity. And of course, it probably has to be hardwired to your modem. So they do operate 7 days a week, Monday through Sunday. So as you can see, these are the different schedules that they have available if you choose to apply for this position. So for this job, you'll also be working with their members, the providers, and the multidisciplinary team members to assess, facilitate, plan, and coordinate integrated delivery of care across their platform and their network. So you'll be providing the telephone support, the data entry support, and the clerical support for their care review team. That is what you would be doing in this role. Now, for the required education, once again, you do have to have at least a high school diploma or GED, 1 to 3 years of experience in an administrative support role in healthcare, and the preferred education is the associate's degree But once again, it is preferred, so it does not mean that it's something you have to have. You do, for the preferred experience, they do want someone with 3+ years of experience in that role. And then, of course, if you're a current Molina employee, then they're telling you how you're able to apply. So for the pay range, it goes up to $26.42 an hour, which I believe is a great remote pay, because as you all know, there are some remote jobs that kind of don't pay a really good salary. So I just want to make sure that I'm coming to you guys with jobs that you can apply for and you can earn a living wage. So if you guys like videos like this, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you guys once again for stepping in and taking a look at this video. I will be sure to leave the links below in the description box, and leave a like on this video if you like this type of content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.